Let me do some questions of NCERT exercise. First question is PE is given, PF is given, E intersection F is given. You have to calculate conditional probability of E when F has already occurred and F when E has already occurred. So simple formula PE upon F is PE intersection F over PF. Substitute the values 2 by 3. PF upon E, PE intersection F over PE. Substituting the values given, it is 1 by 3. Question number 9 is, we have to determine PE upon F, conditional probability of E when F has already occurred. We are given mother, father and son. They are lined up at random for a photo shoot. E is the event when sun is on one end and F is the event when father is in middle. E and F are the events. So let we make the first total sample. Now sample space is mother, father and son. They are suppose represented by M, F and S. So total cases will be 6. Mother, father, son, father, mother, son, father, mother, son, mother, father, mother, son, father, father, son, mother. So there are total 6 cases. Now E is the event when sun is at one end. Sun is at one end. This is at one end. Mother, father, son, father, mother, son, father, mother, son, mother, father. These are the 4 cases when the sun is at one end, either left or right. So that is the E. E event के favorable cases are 4. Then F is the event in the middle. F is the event when father is at middle. So there are 2 cases, father, mother, father, son, father, mother. There are 2 cases. So P of the event E. E means when the sun is at one end, 4 by 6. PF, father is at middle, 2 by 6. P intersection F you calculate, this will be 2. This will be 2, son, mother, father, son and son, mother, father. इसमें फादर जो है वो दोनों उसमें भी है, मिडल में भी, और फादर जो है वो सन जो है वो एक्सट्रीम एंड्स में भी है. सो पी ई अपॉन एफ इज P E intersection F is 2 by 6. So probability of E upon F, P E intersection F over PF. P intersection F is 2 by 6 by PF 2 by 6. So answer is 1. Question number 10, we will do one part. If black and red dice are rolled, total number of obviously cases 36. Find the conditional probability of obtaining sum greater than 9 given that the black die result in a 5. So we have to find the conditional probability of sum greater than 9 और black die पे 5 आए. So let first observation is from black die and second observation is from red die. Now sample space is 6, 6, 7 dice are thrown. Sample space will be 2 dice are thrown. Sample space will be 36. So sum greater than 9, 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So number of cases will be 6. So probability of A means sum greater than 9 के 6 cases हुए तो 6 by 36, 1 by 6 is the probability. Now B is the event when black die result in 5. Black die के ऊपर 5 आए तो 5 के cases होते हैं 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. That we read in class 10th. So number of favorable cases for B is 6. So probability of B black die पे 5 आने की probability 6 by 36, 1 by 6. Now you can calculate A intersection B. यहाँ पे 5 5 5 6 है, दो ही हैं जो 9 से बड़े हैं। तो 5 5 और 5 6 मीन्स इंटरसेक्शन का मतलब क्या होगा, 9 से बड़े और ब्लैक डाई पे 5। तो दो केसेस हो गए 5 5 5 6, यू कैन कोट दैम। सो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स A intersection B is 2, तो PA intersection B is 2 by 36, 1 by 18. Now conditional probability of getting sum greater than 9 when B has 5, यानी कि conditional probability of A when B has already occurred. So PA intersection B over PB, same formula, 1 by 18 upon 1 by 6. These are the values which we have calculated already. PB, PA intersection B, A intersection B, PB, when you calculate it is 1 by 3. Then the question number 12, let we read the statement first. Question number 12. Question number 12 is, assume that each child born is equally likely to be a boy or a girl if a family has, मतलब there is equal possibility of a boy and girl in a family which is newly born. If a family has two children, what is conditional probability that both are girls, but given that the youngest is girl and at least one is girl? So we have to calculate the conditional probability कि दोनों लड़कियां होनी चाहिए। पहली कंडीशन youngest is girl और second at least one is girl. So let me solve this question. Let B and G represent boy and girl. So these are the two children. So two children में cases हो गए 4, दोनों boys, boy girl, girl boy, girl girl. So total cases are 4. Let A be the event when we are having both are girls. So that will be A G G means both are girls. And let B be the, now we do the first case. First case is when B youngest, let B be the event when youngest child is girl. Youngest child is girl, so it means boy girl or girl girl. So these are two cases. Now set A is girl girl and set B is boy girl girl girl. So intersection will be girl girl. So what, and then the probability of B will be, B में दो cases थे 2 by 4 1 by 2. P intersection A intersection B 1 है 1 by 4. So then the conditional probability both are girls will be PA upon B, means PA upon B, probability of A when B has already occurred, PA intersection B over PB is 1 by 4 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is answer. Then the second case is C. Second case is at least one is girl. So let C is the event when there is at least one is the girl. So C will be boy girl, कम से कम एक लड़की, boy girl, girl boy, या दोनों गर्ल्स भी हो सकती हैं, गर्ल गर्ल. So total number of cases are 3. Then the probability will be 3 by 4. If you calculate A intersection C, A के एलिमेंट हैं हमारे पास गर्ल गर्ल, A is girl girl and C is, A is girl girl and C is boy girl girl boy girl girl. So it is girl intersection A intersection C is girl girl means one element, and A intersection C will having element 1. So probability of A intersection C is 1 by 4. Then the conditional probability both are girls that at least one is girl is PA upon C, PA intersection C over PC. So these values we have calculated. This is 1 by 4 and PC is 3 by 4. Put this 1 by 4, 3 by 4, after calculation it is 1 by 3. Then we do the question number 14. Given that two numbers appearing on throwing of two dice are different. दो डाइस फेंकी हैं, दोनों के ऊपर जो नंबर आए हैं वो डिफरेंट आए हैं. Find the probability that event sum of the numbers on the die is 4. दो डाइस फेंकी हैं, दोनों पे नंबर जो है वो डिफरेंट हैं और प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी है कि दोनों डाइस के ऊपर नंबर्स का सम जो है वो 4 है. when 2 dice are thrown, the sample space is 36. That you know, that is basically how it is. 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Similarly 2 1 2 6, ऐसे चलता जाएगा ये. 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 and so on. So total number of cases are 36. Total number of cases are 36. Now condition is that number on both the dice are different. So let A be the event when the number on both the dice are different. तो नंबर डिफरेंट कौन कौन से होंगे? इफ़ यू सी द सैम्पल स्पेस, 1 1 नहीं होगा, 2 2 नहीं होगा, 3 3 नहीं होगा, 4 4 नहीं होगा, 5 5 नहीं होगा, 6 6 नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वो सेम है. यानी कि 6 चले गए 36 में से, तो टोटल नंबर विल बी 30. सो ए बी द इवेंट, टोटल नंबर्स आर 30. A be the event in which number of 2 dice are different, so it will be 30. Now second is sum is 4. 4 sum के लिए 1 3 3 1 and 2 2, 3 cases बने. A intersection B, 30 में तो सारे ही हैं, तो ये 3 जो है तीनों इसमें भी आएंगे. सम A intersection B, if you check it is 1 3 3 1. 2 2 नहीं आएगा क्योंकि नंबर डिफरेंट भी लेने हैं और सम जो है वो 4 भी लेना है. सो देर आर 2 cases. So when A intersection B is 2, so P A intersection B is 2, क्योंकि P A में तो सारे एलिमेंट हैं, रिपीटेड नहीं है, और P B में सिर्फ ये हैं, तो इट मीन्स इंटरसेक्शन ये 2 रह गए. सो P B upon A, probability of B when A has already occurred, P A intersection B upon P A. Substitute these values, 2 by 36 and 30 by 36. Answer is 1 by 50.